Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Free Download Manager, FDM, on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open your favorite web browser. Search for Free Download Manager in Google. Once you're on the home page, click the download button, select the Windows version, the installer will begin downloading automatically, wait for the download to complete. The installer size is relatively small, so it should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Now open your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded installer. If Windows displays a user account control message, click Yes. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next. Read and accept the license agreement. Click Next again. Choose the installation folder or leave it as the default location. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once completed, click Finish. Free Download Manager will launch automatically. Installing the browser extension is recommended because it allows FDM to automatically capture download links from supported browsers. Complete the initial setup. Now you're ready to use Free Download Manager. Free Download Manager is a 100% free application that helps you download files faster, resume interrupted downloads, manage torrents, and even download videos from many websites. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Free Download Manager on your Windows computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.